Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about famous Etoro. I'll tell you something more about it, what you can expect from it, and also we are going to check up the trading options. So Etoro enables clients to deposit and withdraw using a variety of payments methods, such as wire transfers, credit cards, and more. Etoro offers low minimum deposits and unified fees. I would say it's made for basically everyone. If you're a small business and you really want to step up your game on the market, or if you're individual with some extra cash or so, that means even for freelancers, you can start investing. Easily, what we have to do, just create yourself an account. It's completely for free. And also you can check the trading platforms. You don't have to pay anything for it. It's all quotation based. If you reach above a certain level of usage of Etoro, it's best for you to get more than 3,000 assets. So you can join Etoro today and start discovering a wide variety of benefits on the mobile or web platform. That also means that you can get it in your side of your web browser. And you can literally download it into your phone and start trading. It's more complex. Obviously, you can lose tons of money if you don't know what you're doing. But Etoro will help you to basically point you in the direction, or the best direction, where you can get the money. Obviously, you see the top instruments are obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, Amazon shares, Tesla, Apple, and Neo. We're gonna go and check the Bitcoin, but as you can see, Bitcoin is, it's losing right now quite a margin. It's a long way from its best. So you can see in here it was 29,000 and now we are sub 20, we are 17,626. So still it has the value, but if you go with max, you see that at max it was at 60k per Bitcoin. So that is what Etoro is originated from, or what you really can do with it. Also, you see the 6% drop on Ethereum, but not as significant as it was with Bitcoin. Also, Tesla is going a bit down. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.